changed the turbo and everything, and it is running almost as it should. It is absolutely brilliant. So I obviously want to show you why it is the cheapest kind in the UK, as far as I'm aware anyway. So don't quote me on that. The cheapest I've seen is about 500 quid, and that thing looks absolutely terrible. I'll put it here. So obviously we've got the atrocious bonnet mark. I mean, look at that, that is absolutely crap. What I imagine is someone had a massive tow bar, here's a tow bar, and they pushed it in, and obviously there you go, did this. But that's been like that for its past three owners, and yeah, we still haven't solved the mystery. So if you've owned this car in the past, let my ass know, because I want to know how this happened. Obviously I've got the names of all the owners because I've got a giant flipping receipt book full of all its services from the first ever inspection it ever did with Fiat. And well, I'm not weird, so I'm not going to go through that. I'm not going to find it on Facebook. I did that with my own one. It didn't reply to me. Wheels are pretty good. They do need to be improved, obviously. We've got ginormous Brembo brakes there. £425. You've got two 4-pot Brembos at the front, the 5-cylinder engine and the flipping turbo white. Working sunroof, which is I'm not sure if it leaks or not, but we'll see that eventually. On this side is a bit crap, we'll be sorting that out. This side's pretty straight. This is around this side, around the puddle in the woman's shoe. Yeah, this wheel's a bit crap. Very horrible looking gear stick. This seat, my seat, the driver's seat, has collapsed on one side, so we need to get that replaced. It's done 107,000 miles and I'm really chuffed with it. I just think it's brilliant. Of course it's the first turbo 20 valve, obviously 20 valve turbo. And it's been a dream since I was about 13. So obviously subscribe to follow this project. In a moment, you're just going to take a drive here. We drove 50 miles and then 50 miles back from where we are now, which is where we come from. Obviously, there's a bit here because this is a bit weird, but you know what I mean. Yeah, so we've got obviously a bit of bonus footage at the end. That's it. That's for this car. Bonnet's getting resprayed. That bit's getting sorted with all that stupid rust. Can't see from far away. Really particular, so we're getting it sorted. So we're in the cheapest car I've ever been in, at least on the motorway. I've been in a 500 quid Citroen Saxo, just nothing under 500 quid yet. So this is a bit concerning, obviously, to me. And we're in a ginormous storm. We've got to travel. I was going to check my watch as I always do, numbers, but we've got to travel 50 flipping miles to my hometown. Because I don't know, I just thought I'd give it a run in, and it needs a good run, this car, because obviously it's been sat for 2 years doing absolutely nothing. The most driving it's ever done is like a few feet onto a car transporter. I'm not going to go 70 because I'm not a nutcase. I'm so flipping scared. I don't know why I'm like this. I think it's mainly because the number 4 and the heater, like the fan speed dial don't work. That's obviously a scary prospect. But she's doing alright. I'm quite pleased with it. I mean, if it's whether it gets us there and back is the main thing. So, geez Louise. And we've obviously picked the worst day to do this in, because it is absolutely disgusting outside. See a boy accelerate like that. I'm only going to go go 60 because fuck that noise. I'm not going fast. Oh, I need to get into the right lane because I'm not going to be one of those idiots not looking at the lane. So see you in a bit.
Okay.
What now? Pardon? So I thought I'd take you down one of my childhood roads, but unfortunately it's an absolute flipping mess. There's a roof from some sort of car. I don't know what the heck kind of car it is. I would say a Land Rover, but it looks a bit too small. And literally half of this road is vanished. So yeah, this was always sort of my dream as a young boy to drive one of these big lads down here very fast. We ended up turning off the motorway because, you know, fuck that noise, it was horrible. Everyone was driving like maniacs, so me being in a dainty Italian sports car, left that. But no, the road's actually pretty nice now, actually. But what have we gone? No, I don't. We are literally going down one of the seediest side streets, or side roads in Scunny, Farmers Flipping Lane, which I used to bike down all the time when I was a kid. But the car, I'm really pleased with it, because for £425 I managed to get all the way here. So let's see if we can actually get all the way back. Yeah. Yeah. Sounds great. So you'll see us again in, well, obviously for you it'll be in a moment, but for me it'll be probably like a few hours when we're actually going home and driving home in the dark. So let's hope the storm, big old storm Dennis, doesn't destroy my existence. Oh my ass. So we're at the end of the video. I was going to do us on the way back, but my upload schedule is at 6 o'clock on a Sunday. So unfortunately, we're not doing that. So hope you enjoyed it. Big ups and big boosts. Subscribe. See you later, my dudes. And yeah, on with the next thing. My other car got hit, by the way, my red one. So you'll be hearing about that in the next video. So stay tuned, subscribe. Love you all very much. We're at 130,000. I wish. We're at 1,370 subscribers, and that is absolutely sick. So thanks a lot, my dudes. See you later.